All parties Hurriyat conference has expressed concern over the plight of the illegally detained Hurriyat leaders and activists languishing in various jails across India and occupied Kashmir. APSC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said that India was victimizing the Kashmiri detainees for challenging its illegal occupation of their homeland. Amid the ongoing harsh winter in occupied Kashmir, reports of the Indian tourists drinking alcohol and dancing openly in the public spaces have sparked outrage among the local Muslim majority population. International scholar and commentator Ashok Swine shared videos on his X account with the caption stating that Hindutva aligned tourists indulge in such activities in the snowy weather, disregarding the Islamic traditions of the territory. As the year 2024 draws to a close, the dual power structure, more accurately Delhi controlled governance in occupied Kashmir, remains a contentious issue, causing a shadow over the political dynamics of the territory. A fresh development highlighting this power struggle is the release of the year 2025 holiday list by the occupied Kashmir government, which has reignited debates surrounding the authority of the elected government and the Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha's administration. A head constable of the Indian Central Reserve Police Force died in Islamabad district. The head constable of the CRPF suddenly fell unconscious. He was immediately shifted to the district hospital where the doctors declared him dead. India under Narendra Modi's rule has increasingly drawn comparisons to the apartheid state, with the experts and activists highlighting the systematic discrimination against the religious minorities. Bharatiya Janata Party government, led by Narendra Modi, has been accused of implementing policies that push for a Hindu Rashtriya, Hindu state, sidelining the rights of the minorities.